Percy had just returned. "Sorry I'm late," said Percy. "I just got knocked off at the steamworks. Has anybody seen the cars of stone?" "St. Thomas forgotten. Cinders and ashes," cried Thomas. "The cars of stone. Percy, we must go back." Percy was concerned. "Why?" he asked. Their idea was soon enough. Thomas buffered up to the cars, but Percy didn't care. Soon Thomas pulled the longest line of freight cars. They were troublesome indeed. Thomas was determined not to let the freight cars beat, but the troublesome trucks had a very naughty plan. Ching, ching. The troublesome trucks were on faster and faster. Soon they reached the top of the hill. "Hold back! Hold back!" cried the cars. Thomas was convinced. "You're going to be on the naughty list," he called. But the troublesome trucks didn't listen. Then there was trouble. "Faster! Faster!" cried the cars. They were racing down the hill. Then trouble. Everybody was surprised to see Thomas, to see him bump into James. "Look out!" "Oh dear!" cried James. Crash! Cars all flew everywhere. It landed all over the engine. "Oh, my leg! My leg!" Red and gray trucks flew everywhere. Their top and head was surprised. "Really?" said Mr. Conductor. "It could have been worse." But Mr. Top and Hat was cross. "Thomas," said Sir Thomas, "you've caused confusion and delay. Again." Thomas felt sad. "I'm sorry, sir," said Thomas. Just then, Too Tender Molly giggled. "What are you laughing?" asked Thomas. "Yeah, what?" "I think tomorrow I'll come back. Or another day. Goodbye." The diesel tent rolled off. Too Tender Molly giggled again. "Oh, Thomas, you were funny this holiday. I've never been so happy." "Me neither," said Stanley. He was beginning to feel like it as well. "That was fun how you crashed into James. A bit. I feel sorry for him." "Me too," said Thomas. "Oh," said James, "at least my shiny coat is still okay." Gordon and Emily laughed as well. "You know, Thomas might not be so bad after all this Christmas." "Yeah," said Too Tender Molly. He even pulled the special load." Then Too Tender Molly started to say something. "Thomas," said Too Tender Molly, "I'm sorry of what happened." "That's all right," said Thomas. "I might have noticed. But right now, I apologize for what happened." And that was Thomas had his very Christmas time. Instead of a Christmas tree, they were held up by a great big Christmas tree post. So there, my friends, here to all for our treatment. Ding ding. Ding, 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 ding. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. That time as we bring joy, cheer for only Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry and a Happy New Year. a timelessly friend, a love and good cheer. So happy Christmas and a happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a We wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy New Year. And that, my friend, was Thomas the Tank Engine's Christmas time. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. I don't think it'll happen again. Do you do? Do-do-do-do-do-do.